Protecting the integrity of the CRM is everyone's responsibilities. When I took over an airline sales department, the first thing I look at is their CRM. I recall spending weeks rebuilding it with a new set of rules and guidelines. It was a lot of pain. If your business is thinking about a CRM, make sure the rules and process are created first. Then it is all about the enforcement to keep it clean. It is much easier to start correctly and maintain it than having to clean it up a few years later.